How to replace a step light. Here is a 7-light group as a demonstration. Remove the faulty step light. Here is light number 3 as a demonstration. Take the remote control. Press the fixed writing button to enter the fixed coding mode. The controller's blue indicator lights up. Press number 3 and then OK. The blue indicator turns off. Connect the new step light. The light flashes 3 times to indicate successful coding. Take the remote control, select any of the 6 lighting modes to switch and test. Light number 3 now works normally. How to add more step lights to an already coded group of 7. Here, step light number 8 and number 9 need to be installed. Take the remote control, press the fixed writing button to enter the fixed coding mode. Press number 8, then OK, and immediately connect the new light. The light flashes 3 times to indicate successful coding. Repeat the above operation to connect the light number 9. By switching the lighting modes, only 7 step lights are seen to light up, but the codes for step light number 8 and number 9 have already been written. Therefore, the corresponding number of step lights needs to be set properly on the remote control. Press the Steps Now button on the remote control, then press number 9, and finally press the OK button. At this point, all 9 step lights will illuminate. If sensor A or B needs to be replaced, simply install a new one and it can be used normally. If the controller needs to be replaced, take the new remote control and reset the corresponding number of steps. Via the remote control's fixed writing function, multiple lights can be set to the same number for simultaneous illumination. For example, in a Y-shaped staircase, fixed writing can be used to assign the same numbers 5, 6, 7 to relevant step lights for an optimized lighting effect. Multiple sensor A or sensor B can be added to one group to enable multi-position triggering, activating the first and last step lights simultaneously. This better meets on-site installation requirements.